Hello everyone, I am Gurmeet Singh. Welcome to CREATA Classes and also welcome to the series on probability for class 10th math student. This is a complete series for class 10 math student. We will cover the probability in very detail. All these lectures we will cover, and this is the first lecture in which we will build the basic foundation. After that, we will build the complete building of probability, but building the foundation is very must. And everything we will do using the visual tool, that is using the animation and the graphics. You will love it. So without taking any further time, let's start the first lecture, that is building the foundation or the introduction to the probability. Best of luck.
What is probability? We will go from very basic, then we will move to the advanced level. Firstly, we will cover the basic theory only, then we will start with the formulas. Your understanding of the basic concept is very must, then you can move to the questions or you can move to the formula. But without understanding the basic theory, moving to the formula is completely waste. So let's build a basic foundation. So what is a probability? Probability is how likely a particular event will occur. We will understand this concept with few examples, and only after you get the basic understanding of the concept, then we will move to the formula and the other stuff. First example we will take is weather forecasting. You have heard in the news or you have read in the newspaper, the possibility of the rain on Monday is 30%. Here they are saying that the probability of happening an event, the event is rain on Monday, is 30%. Here the probability is 30%. Probability generally lie between 0% to 100%. 0% means no probability. 0% rain means no rain will happen. And 100% probability of rain means 100% rain will happen. So here the probability of rain on Monday is 30%. Similarly, you must have heard about the lottery tickets. The probability of winning the lottery is 0.01% only. So here they are saying the probability of happening an event is 0.01%. Here the event is winning a lottery ticket. If you take the example of cricket, the match, you must have heard in the news or as per some anchors, the probability of winning cricket match between India and Australia is 50-50. Here what is this 50-50? Here 50-50 is symbolizing 50% probability of winning of India and 50% winning of Australia. Means winning of both the party is equal. I'm just giving some of the example to build a basic understanding of what the probability is. Probability is expressed in percentage and it is generally of any event. In the first case, the event is rain on Monday. In the second case, the event is winning a lottery ticket. In the third case, the event is winning the cricket match. So probability is for event. You must have observed the probability in the range of 0 to 100%. 0% means no chance and 100% means full surety. Let's move further and let's have some textbook examples. We have covered the basic examples of general life, and for more understanding, let's take some textbook examples. You must have seen the standard example of coin in your textbook. Let's learn more about this. If we toss a coin, what are the chances of different output we will get? Either we will get head or we will get the tail. Chances of getting head and tail is equal, or we can say 50-50. 50-50 means 50% each. Probability of getting a head is 50% and probability of getting a tail is 50%. Means equal. If it has two outcomes, head or tail, these are known as events. Events we have discussed in our real life example like rain, cricket match or winning a lottery ticket. Here the event are head and tail. The probability of event head is 50%. The probability of event tail is 50%. You have to understand the term event, it will be frequently used in this chapter. Don't worry why it is 50%, why it is not 40, 60. This is just for your basic understanding. As we move or progress through the chapter, we will just go deep into this percentage and how to calculate this. Now it is just only to build a basic foundation. Further, let's move to next example of die. This is also a common example. Rolling a die, we can get either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. It means whenever we roll a die, we get any number from 1 to 6. It means it has total 6 events. Either we will get 1, that is first event is getting the number 1 on the die. The second event is getting the number 2 on the die. Similarly, we can get 6 events when we roll a die. We cannot get 7, we cannot get 8, we cannot get 0. So rolling a die is having 6 events. Are you able to understand about the event? In the coin, we can get 2 events, head or tail. In the die, we can get total 6 events. What will be the probability of getting 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6? That will be 1 by 6 each. How it is 1 by 6? That we will discuss when we will discuss the formula. So here are 6 events. Probability of all the events from 1 to 6 are equal. So we get 1 by 6 in each outcome or in each event. Don't worry how it is 1 by 6. We will discuss it later on. So you have understood the basic concept or the basic foundation of the probability. Probability lies from 0% to 100%. It cannot cross 100% and it cannot be in negative. So probability is from 0 to 100%, or in simple terms, that is without the percentage. The probability is from 0 to 1. Here 0 means 0%, 1 means 100%. We have simply removed the percentage. So you have learned about the basic fundamental. Let's take a small question. The question is, which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? You must be wondering, we are just covering the basic foundation and why suddenly a question, and we have not learned anything, we have not learned any formula. But believe me, the basic foundation or basic building blocks are very must for your building the concept, and with the help of the basic understanding and the concept, you can solve many questions. So let's take this simple question. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? 4 choices are given and you have to tell which cannot be the probability. You can pause the video and you can think based on the basic fundamental, you can solve this question. This is very easy. So let's tackle this question. We have understood the concept, that is the probability of any event will lie from 0% to 100% or from 0 to 1. The first, it is 0.1. Yes, it lies from 0 to 1. So 0.1 can be the probability. Yes, it is true. 5 by 3. If we divide 5 by 3, we will get 1.06. Here it exceeds 1 and the probability is between 0 to 1 only. So this cannot be the answer. Let's check other. C, it is 3%. Yes, the probability lies between 0 and 100%. D, 1 by 3. Yes, 1 by 3 is again between 0 and 1. So the choice B is the correct one, or we can say it cannot be the probability of any event because it does not lie between 0 and 1. So we are just covering the basic concept and you have solved one question. And this question has been asked in previous board exams.
So students, that's for this lecture. We have completed the basic. That is, we have built the basic building block of the probability. From the next lecture onward on this foundation, we will build the complete building. Hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Meet you in the next lecture. Bye for now. Best of luck and have a great day.